Oh.
Oh, did I lose it?
Oh.
No, I didn't. Look at
So
this. It's glass
this is the
elevator.
elevators at the City Place Mall in Silver Spring, Maryland.
Notice. Sorry about that abrupt entry. We're going to look out the window. Is this a deadbolt? What?
Yeah.
We're going up.
It does that a lot. This is what's wrong with the elevator.
Oh my gosh, this is a high hydraulic.
Wait, this is an Otis?
Yeah, it says on the panel.
Oh.
I like the logo on the elevator. You can see the reflection.
Yeah.
Now we'll go on down to one.
Go
Down.
on. Yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah.
This is a nice view.
And down there, as you can see, there used to be a fountain. Now it's like it's all like it's all like it's all down.
This is going to stop on every floor, isn't it?
Yeah, it does that. So I know this isn't elevator related, but I once went to there to get some bleach to dye my hair.
Oh, okay. This looks like a dead mall. Look at all these stores that are boarded up.
Yeah. Yeah. 3.
I'm going to try to go all the way up. Yeah. What's this that used to be down here in the basement?
This used to be a food court.
That's the old food court?
Yeah.
And now what is it? Just empty?
Yeah. There used to be a bathroom all the way over there, but
Okay. Good gosh, this thing is busy.
I would never expect it to be busy around this time.
Yeah, I thought this place would be empty this time of day.
Well, this is the only elevator.
This is the only elevator in the whole mall.
Yeah.
Yes, but I
like this and I
Press 5, please.
The elevator button is cracking up, so.
Okay.
So.
Well, here's the food. Here's the what's left of the food court.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a glove.
Go on.
It does it automatically.
Let's see how many times it's going to stop.
This is gonna be like a at least a 3-minute video.
Yeah, we'll get off on 5.
Yeah, let me see if the let's see if the Burlington Coat Factory's elevator is there.
What kind is it?
Don't remember actually.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. But I believe it could be a Dover. I don't know, or it could be Otis. I don't know much.
We made about 2 floors. I guess everybody's going to 5.
Yeah, Burlington Coat Factory is basically like the only store. Is that a homeless person right there? Why the hell are they in there?
Probably just loitering in the mall. Here we are at 5.
Okay, just wait.
This elevator is strangely shaped. Please allow strollers to
Okay.
They need more than one elevator here.
Yeah.
That's it.